Hello, and thank you for joining us here at TESCO. Today, we will be showing you how to locate important information on your vehicle, starting with your vehicle's VIN number, which is important for things such as your vehicle history, ordering parts, or for recall information. This 17-digit number can be found here at the lower corner of your windshield or here in the driver's side door jamb. On this label here, you can find a variety of other information aside from your vehicle's VIN number, such as your gross vehicle weight rating, also known as GVWR, which can be important for weight stations, and even the recommended PSI for the vehicle's tires for when you check or fill them with air. Next is your vehicle's mileage, which is displayed on the odometer inside the instrument cluster. This will be located behind the steering wheel. This will come in handy for any warranty repair and routine maintenance. If your vehicle features a rear AC unit, you can reference the front badge or label to determine the unit's manufacturer. And in the event that your wheelchair lift may require service or repair, you can find the manufacturer information and unit serial number located here on the provided label. And that is where you can find most of the important information for your vehicle. For all of your transportation and mobility needs, choose TESCO for over 50 years of our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.